every now and then, every month or so, you enter and it says, oh, these are the new features. And sometimes it was a feature that you're just like, oh, I've been waiting for this. Thank you very much. And it's just there. And because it's cloud-based, you don't need to install it. So it's just there. Oh, here you go. It's like someone, you're walking around on a hot day and you're thirsty and someone's like, here, would you like some water? And it's not the street vendor. It's just a nice person. Here's a bottle of water. The changes are so fast that it's even hard for me to say, oh yes, I've learned it. I've got it figured out. Okay, now this is new. I have to figure this out. Oh, I've got it all figured out. And then they're adding the new features and they're pushing it onto you because the pressure, Leo is in a competitive field and they want to keep being the leaders. And to keep being the leaders, you got to keep having the features there. So sometimes as an engineer, it's exciting because sometimes they're like, oh, I didn't even think of that, but I need that. Thank you very much. Let's go. You wake up in the morning and it's like, oh, wow, I have a new superpower. I can do this now. This used to take 3 days. Now it takes 1 day. I don't need to write reports anymore. Or what Leo has already solved is I don't need to make the rough draft for the report. And now I have the Word document and I'm editing it. So that's done. Like that's one thing I don't need to do anymore. There's a lot of things that come up. So when it comes to training, it's so even hard to say when does training stop. The truth is it never stops. You're always using it. It's always changing.